What is going on, guys? Marc Guberti here. In this video, we are going to talk about how you can hit 4,000 hours of watch time. And the reason we're talking 4,000 is because that's how many hours you need to be a part of the YouTube Partnership Program, where you can run AdSense on your videos and get paid for all of the views that you are generating on YouTube. So if you guys are looking for videos that can help you grow your platform, you should subscribe to this channel because we do talk about this very often. So when it comes to hitting the 4,000 hours of watch time, you have to do this within the 365-day period. So if you had a lot of engagement and a lot of hours a year ago, then just know that as we keep moving forward in the year, all those past hours go away and get replaced by what hours you currently get for your channel. So pretty much on October 3rd, 2020, the hours you got for that day, they get added to your total, but the hours from October 3rd, 2019 get subtracted from your total. So that's something to keep in mind when you are going for 4,000 hours within a given 365-day period. So the first way to get up to that number is to upload more videos, because the more videos you upload, the more people have to watch. You will have some people who will watch every video on your channel and actively wait for you to come out with new content. The only problem is if you only come out with one video each week, those people have to wait an entire week before they can get more content from you. And then they can forget about you. They could think of some other creator instead to fill in their need. So it's good to upload multiple times each week and actually get as close to daily as possible. Long term, you don't really have to do daily, but it is something that will help you get to 4,000 hours of watch time, and it will spread your content across more topics, which means more potential discovery on the YouTube algorithm. The second way to get to 4,000 hours is to create longer videos. So not only do you want to do more videos, but you also want to make them longer, because there's more content to watch in a 10-minute video versus a 5-minute video. So if you are wondering, well, how do I make my videos longer? It's just a matter of a little more prep. So instead of 3 tips, make it 5. Have a case study in there, plan out different things so you're able to expand the length of your content. Some YouTube creators, they really thrive in a 5-minute sweet spot for their content. And in that case, it's totally fine. And you may want to just experiment with getting to 10 minutes on a video, but if that doesn't work for your viewers based on retention rate, and more importantly, it doesn't work for you as a creator, I would recommend just shifting towards more videos rather than bulking up on the length. But it is something that every YouTuber should eventually try to hit their 4,000 hours of watch time. The third strategy is to do more live streams. Live streams get a lot of hours of watch time, and you get to engage with people in real time. In a regular video, people can pause, they can fast forward 10 seconds, but in a live stream, that option is not there. And there is this idea of live where there's just a lot more engagement. People watch a lot longer. You can engage with people in the comments. So not only will the live stream perform well, but your channel as a whole stands to benefit, and past videos will get an extra boost because you have people who are watching you live who, now that they know, like, and trust you even better, they are going to go back and watch your previous content. The fourth way to get closer to that 4,000 hour milestone is to build out your platform outside of YouTube and direct those visitors to your YouTube channel. So one of the things that's been working really well for me is Medium, and I have been talking about this in some of my recent videos. Not only is it a great source of income that has a lot of potential, but it's also getting me a lot of new subscribers on YouTube. It's getting me a lot of watch time on YouTube. And my new channel, Beat the Market, which is in the description in case you guys want to subscribe and learn how to just be a better stock investor. We got so far like 70 new subscribers in just a few days for that channel, just for Medium. And Medium is a big catalyst for why we've been able to get really close to that 100 subscriber milestone so quickly. I mean, for a new channel, it normally takes a few months to hit that milestone, but we're looking within the end of month 1 with, yes, I do have a platform already, but a lot of that is fueled by Medium. So look for different social networks, look for different Facebook groups where you're able to build out your platform and engage with more people, and that can lead to more growth on your channel. The fifth way to just it's a shortcut. It does cost money. It's not for everyone, but we will talk about how it can be for some people. The fifth way to get closer to 4,000 hours is to run ads. Now, you only want to run ads for a few reasons. One is you have a video where you mention some affiliate link or you mention some type of product, and you make, let's say, on average, $20 per 1,000 views because, let's say, 1 out of every 1,000 people buys your $20 thing. And if it costs you $10 to get access to 1,000 views, then you just keep running ads for that because it is a profitable campaign. And it doesn't have to be a campaign in the sense where like one of these infomercials. It could just be you doing a casual video where like, oh, 5 different strategies to grow a YouTube channel. Then you mention something like a TubeBuddy or a vidIQ. You look at your analytics and you say, hey, a lot of people are buying these things through my affiliate link. Let me run ads for this video so it reaches more people who could potentially buy through affiliate links, buy my course, be a coaching client, etc. So that's the first reason you're looking at profit. The second reason is you're looking at your current watch hours. So I'm actually doing this for my channel because I'm on that road to 4,000 hours of watch time. And I know based on looking at my current metrics, if I was already a partner just as of doing this video, I'm earning anywhere from $70 to $100 per month on YouTube just based on where I am now. And just to be able to earn that much money, it's just you got more momentum building. So since I'm pretty close to 4,000 hours of watch time, I am running some ads to one of my 1 hour long videos to just pay my way to the 4,000 hours. And this will cost just based on because I did something like this unintentionally in 2015 for one of my other videos, which was more of a promo video, but I saw the concept of how you can get into the partnership program with the 4,000 hours. I saw that based on the calculations I did and based on where I am now, it would cost like roughly $100 to close the gap and hit the 4,000 hours. Now, I don't recommend this strategy for everyone because if you don't really have much engagement on your channel, unless you have to run ads, like this channel gets thousands of views each month. So it's already in a position where it could start earning monthly income. I just had to get to 4,000 hours. So for some people, it makes sense to close the gap that way. But for other people, you could spend like hundreds of dollars, maybe even $1,000 if you're like just starting out on YouTube to close the gap that way. And again, I'm doing this with an hour-long video, which is a lot more watch time content than a 5-minute video. But the idea is that if you don't have any engagement, then don't use the strategy to get the partnership, get the 4,000 hours, because you got to look at it from an ROI standpoint. Like looking at the strategy, looking what I've seen the analytics in other channels, I know that with the $100 investment, it's going to easily pay itself very quickly. So if you view it as an investment in that way, you can get closer to 4,000 hours. One practical thing anyone can do with ads is just run anywhere from $1 to $3 ads for each new video. So not like a $1 per day because, you know, each new video, that adds up very quickly. But for each video you publish, set aside a $1 to a $3 ad budget to just get some initial momentum, get some watch hours. And that's actually a really great strategy to grow your YouTube channel. Use ads on all of your new videos. You get an instant spike in views and you get new people coming across your content. So those are the different strategies to hit 4,000 hours of watch time. Definitely make sure you subscribe for more videos like this one. You may also want to grab your copy of YouTube Decoded. It is the book right behind me, and that link will be in the description for anyone who is interested. And in any event, signing off on this video, dream big, achieve greatness, and unlock your potential today.